Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our English speaking and listening club. I hope you all are doing absolutely fantastic today. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that many learners overlook: English listening skills. Most people focus on speaking, grammar, or vocabulary, but let me tell you, listening is the foundation of language learning. Think about it. If you cannot understand what another person is saying, how will you ever reply with confidence? That's why listening is not just important, it's essential. And today I'm going to explain in detail why you should improve your English listening, how it changes your life, and what practical steps you can take to master this skill. Part 1. Listening is the foundation of communication. Imagine building a house. Speaking is the walls, reading and writing are the decorations, but listening is the foundation. Without a strong foundation, the house collapses. When you listen, you don't just hear words. You understand tone, pronunciation, and emotions. For example, if someone says, "I'm fine" in a sad tone, the words are positive, but the feeling is negative. Only listening carefully helps you catch the real meaning. Part 2. Listening improves. Speaking naturally. Children never learn their first language through grammar books. They learn by listening to their parents every single day. Slowly, words become sentences, and sentences become fluent speech. The same is true for English learners. The more you listen, the more you absorb sentence patterns, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Automatically. You don't even realize when your brain starts copying what you hear. For example, you might read the word comfortable and think it's comfortable, but when you listen carefully, you'll hear comfortable. That's the real pronunciation you'll only learn through listening. Here's a little challenge for you. Tonight, choose one English movie dialogue or one English song line. Listen to it 3 times carefully and then repeat it exactly the way you hear it. That's how you train your ear to think and speak like a fluent speaker. Part 3. Listening builds confidence. Most learners feel nervous in real conversations because they're scared of not understanding. Have you ever felt lost when someone speaks fast in English? That fear comes from weak listening skills. But once you practice listening daily, your brain adjusts to different speeds, accents, and tones. Slowly, you stop saying, "Can you repeat, please?" every time, and that gives you confidence. One of my students, Rohit, could write perfect English but hated speaking. He said he always felt embarrassed because he couldn't catch fast English. I asked him to listen every day. Podcasts, YouTube videos, news. After 3 months, he told me, "Now I understand 80% of what I hear. I feel confident replying without hesitation." Listening gave him the courage that grammar could not. Part 4. Listening strengthens relationships. Communication is not just about talking. It's about connecting. And connection comes from listening. When you truly listen, people feel respected, valued, and understood. Whether it's your friend sharing a story, your colleague giving instructions, or a family member expressing emotions, good listening builds trust and stronger bonds. Imagine your friend is upset and says, "I'm fine," but in a shaky, sad tone. If you just hear the words, you'll miss the emotion. But if you really listen, you'll understand their pain and be able to support them better. That's the power of listening. Part 5. Listening boosts career and opportunities. English is the global language of business, education, and travel. In your career, listening can open doors that speaking alone cannot. Think about job interviews, meetings, or presentations. If you don't understand the question or instructions properly, you'll struggle to give the right answer. But if you are a good listener, you'll always respond clearly and confidently. Employers value people who listen carefully because it shows focus, discipline, and professionalism. Strong listening skills make you more effective at work, which can lead to promotions and better opportunities. Part 6. Listening expands vocabulary and improves pronunciation. Reading introduces you to new words, but listening shows you how those words are actually used. For example, you may know the word schedule. In American English, it's pronounced schedule. In British English, it's schedule. If you only read the word, you'll never know the difference. Listening exposes you to real accents, real speed, and natural usage. Over time, you'll start using new words naturally because you've heard them again and again in real conversations. Part 7. Listening helps you understand. Culture language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about culture, humor, and emotions. By listening to movies, TV shows, podcasts, or real conversations, you start understanding jokes, sarcasm, and expressions that textbooks never teach. This helps you connect with people more deeply and feel part of the culture. Part 8. How to improve your English listening. Now the big question, how can you improve your listening? Here are some simple and powerful methods. Listen daily. Even 10 minutes a day makes a big difference. Consistency is the secret. Watch movies or series. Start with subtitles, then challenge yourself without them. Listen and repeat. Use the shadowing technique. Listen to one sentence and repeat it immediately with the same tone. Podcasts and audiobooks. Great for practicing different accents and learning naturally. Have real conversations. Nothing beats real life. Practice. Talk to people online with friends or even practice listening to yourself in recordings. Part 9. A story of transformation. Let me share a story. A student named Anjali was great at reading and writing, but when people spoke English fast, she froze. She often said, "Sorry, can you repeat?" and lost her confidence. Instead of avoiding English, she decided to focus on listening. She started small. 10 minutes of podcasts in the morning, English news in the afternoon, and a movie with subtitles in the evening. Slowly, her ears adjusted. After 6 months, she understood most conversations easily and started speaking more confidently. Today, Anjali works at an international company, and her listening skills make her shine in meetings. This shows that improving listening doesn't just improve English, it improves your entire life. Part 10. Final thoughts. Improving your English listening is not just about language. It's about confidence, success, and connection. Here's what listening does for you. It helps you speak naturally and fluently. It gives you confidence in conversations. It builds stronger personal and professional relationships. It helps you grow in your career. It lets you connect with culture and people at a deeper level. So don't ignore this powerful skill. Start small, just 10 minutes a day. Watch, listen, repeat, and most importantly, stay consistent. Remember, good listeners become great speakers. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more motivational and practical content. And always remember, the more you listen, the better you will speak, and the more confident you will become.